UPS. They have to forward their mail.
So what is the purpose of this your company? Say it again.
Is is to is to do the moving in, the tasks that are required to move in to a home, to just make
Oh,
it much easier.
okay.
It's to make moving easier.
Makes sense. So what are the futures are you introducing?
What was that?
The futures, what are the futures are you introducing?
The futures?
Yeah, futures. FEATURES.
Oh, the features. So I'll show you. Let me show you my screen real quick.
Yeah.
Well, you can see it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is HomePal, and the real estate agent or the buyer or one of the helpers is going to fill out this form.
Okay.
They click on get started. I'll just say that I'm a buyer for the example.
Okay.
I'm going to type in the address that I'm moving into, and I'm going to type in the moving date. Let's say that I'm going to move in on April 4th.
Yeah.
And it says, where are you moving from? Let's say that it's from within the state. And let's say it's a house that I'm moving into. And then I have to put my name. Actually, I'll put your name if you want, just so you can see it, because you'll get a text.
Yeah.
It's
So
like
where
this,
you are
right?
storing this data?
What?
So where are you storing user information, like users data?
The data is being stored in the HomePal database.
Okay, there you have your own. Okay.
Yeah, but this website is powered by Replit.
Okay.
So is this how you spell your last name?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's your email?
vinnychalapilli@gmail.com.
Just like this?
Yes.
Okay. And your phone number?
385
Okay.
216
Okay.
9161.
9161. Okay. Looks good.
Real estate agent option. Okay.
And then looks good. So I just submitted that form. Now
Yeah.
you're the user or the buyer,
Yeah.
they get a portal. So you're gonna get it on your phone. So
Yeah.
when you
Uh,
get a text message on your phone,
Hi, Vinny. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
click on that link and you'll see something that looks exactly like this, but on the phone. Do you see it?
It's yeah. Hi, Vinny. 113 West 550 North Vineyard, Utah. Yeah. Move in checklist.
Yeah.
Internet, electric, natural gas, water, address ID update, internet. Yeah.
So the problem that it's helping to solve is that when someone moves into a home, there's tons of things to do,
Yeah.
and this will automate it.
Mm-hmm.
It will also help the buyer have internet from the very first day that they move in, because a lot of people move into their home and then they do all these things like set up their internet, sign up for their utilities,
So,
and things like that.
so you wanted to do all this unnecessary stuff before they move into the house, right?
Yeah, just either at the moment or maybe a week or two before they move in. It's the goal is just to do all these monotonous tasks
Okay.
for the homeowner. And so what I want the AI agent to do
Yeah.
is I want the AI agents to click on these links and start filling out these forms. I want the AI agent to do this.
Okay.
5. And then I want the AI agent to click on that. I want the AI agent to click on that. I want the AI agent to fill out all these things.
So you do within the state or within the county or within the whole the whole country?
Where is HomePal?
Yeah.
Right now, HomePal is only in Utah County and Salt Lake County,
Okay.
but I'm about to go to all of Utah. About to go to the neighboring counties soon.
Okay.
And then after that, I'm going to go to every county in Utah.
Okay. Great idea. So where do you find where do you have all the people those who do the like hardware job like plumbing and all other stuff that the offers the services you're offering?
I haven't included some of those. I'm thinking about including some of the home services later, but
Okay.
right now I'm just working on getting a basic system that is the only service that I'm including is internet.
Okay.
But I'm thinking about adding in more services.
Yeah.
The thing is that I want to be able to go to other counties and other states in the whole country
Yeah.
as fast as possible. And so the more providers and home services that I add, the more friction I'll have in expanding to the whole country. So I'm thinking about only keeping internet.
That's good. That's good. So very great idea. Very great idea.
Thank you.
Yeah. I hope and pray that God will bless with this idea so that you will help many people.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you think the AI agents are able to fill out forms like this?
Yeah. AI agents do a lot of work.
Cool. Would Vinny, would you be interested in being part in joining HomePal
um,
and becoming the technical person for HomePal? Because there's a lot of things that I don't know how to do agents. I don't know how to, you know, my specialty is being able to go to the real estate brokerages, talk to the home buyers,
see,
and get them excited to use the platform.
see,
I've had to learn some of the AI coding, just prompt coding, but I'm not a specialist in it.
yeah. So the AI agent does 4 things, you know, right?
I don't know.
So it observe and think and decide and act.
Mm-hmm.
You know, right? AI agent do these
Mm-hmm.
4 things. What does it do? It decides. So first it observes, then think and decide, then act. So instead of just answering questions like chatbot, right?
Mm-hmm.
So an agent can perform tasks what do you say, autonomously. I mean without anyone's help. Like it observe, which means it get information from the environment like APIs, internet, user input. Then it decide what to do using LLMs. You know, right? LLMs.
Mm-hmm.
Then it act. Then it calls or write code or search web page or do whatever the task we assign. Then repeat until the goal is completed. That's AI agents. Very simple.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so right now your goal is to integrate AI to do the things automatically, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm. I never used Replit. I used only few semester. I mean 1 or 2 semester I used, but Replit was a old one. Um,
Mm.
s-
They're pretty good now. If you haven't used them for a little bit, because they do the prompt coding. Because I don't code,
yeah, yeah,
I tell AI what I want it to create,
yeah, yeah,
and the AI Replit will make it all for me.
yeah. And then you have everything, and make sure your AI look more good. I mean it's great right now. The UI,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, make it better. So, anyways, I'm not sure if I'm not because I don't I'm not expert at AI usings, but I used AI usings for my personal projects.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so you are looking for someone to help you with the technical work, right?
Yeah.
So who did the whole website? You?
I made the whole website with AI.
Very good, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter if you know coding, as long
Mm-hmm.
as you know how to prompt, like how to give a good prompt to solve things, because always remember that the one who uses like AI to build websites, they are called users.
Mm-hmm.
The one who knows coding, they are called creators. If something happened to the website, creator knows where these things happen, the problems. So but users, right now you did great job, you done good job because you built a whole website without um, anyone help, especially if you are building the full stack website. People charge a lot of money and you put your whole effort to do this. I'm very
I
proud
worked
of you.
so hard. I tried so hard.
That's good. That's good if you try hard. Sometimes even when we try hard we don't get success, but yeah, or do yeah, you do your best, and then pray, and when the time comes God will answer all the prayers. So yeah. So how can I help you?
So I would like, I hope that you can do all of the technical work.
Okay.
My goal is to have AI agents fill out the forms before next Wednesday. And I'm hoping that you can train the agents to fill out the forms by Wednesday.
Next Wednesday, right?
Yeah, by next
Okay.
Wednesday.
But I don't promise, but because I think I'm mostly free, I can do. If I Yeah, it's not a big task, I can solve. I mean, I can do that. So um, if you give me a clear instructions on what to do, okay, because
Mhm.
I'm not familiar with the architecture of how you design the project,
Mhm.
um, the technologies and tools you have used, if you use any AI, cloud code is like AI agent, but if you use any other than that, because Replit I used long back ago, I'm not familiar with it. Then what database you use? What is the name of the database?
I don't know. It's just the
Okay,
the
sorry.
replica database maybe.
Okay, so is the database storing all the users information?
Yeah. Do you want me to show it to you?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I'll
Yeah,
show.
you should
Here you
use
go.
something. Okay, yeah, because you already built. You should have asked me long back ago.
Yeah, here, let me show it to you. Let me pull it up. Okay, so this is essentially the database. So I gotta log in again.
Man, there is a lot of work to do with this website.
Why do you say that?
Um, you can. I mean, yeah, very good,
So
very
yeah,
good.
this is it right here. So here's the homeowner submissions. I can see Vinny,
Yeah.
Luke, Kellen, Maggie. So let me click on your name right here, or click on the I. I can see your contact info. I can see your details. I can see which utility company will be lined
So do
up.
you,
And I can also click on view portal so I can see the portal.
so my question is, only admin have access to log in, log out, or users can too?
No, only me is the admin. Only I can log in and log out because when I log in,
But how can I access? Like if I need
well,
your
I
service?
could I could add you as one of the admins,
No, no,
and
no, no. I'm just saying in general, not an admin. So how can I know? How can I access your website? Which means how can I use your service? Let's see if I wanted to move in to different
yeah.
house.
So the way that I'm doing it right now is I'm going directly to a real estate brokerage, which is a real estate agency or a real estate company
Yeah.
where the agents are. And I'm talking to the manager or the owner of the real estate agency. And I'm telling them, hey, this is what this software can do. It will help your buyers have an easier time to move into their house. And then if they like the idea, then they will start using it and they'll get all of their real estate agents to then start using it. And then all of the buyers of the real estate agents will be fed to the platform. And it's just part of the process of moving into the house and buying the house. So, yeah, the way that it works is it's through the real estate people. And the real estate person is the one who's either sending the form or filling out the form or figuring out the way to get it filled out, maybe by the transaction coordinator. So and then they'll fill it out and they have the white labeled page. So every team, every real estate company has their own page with their own logo. This one is the Perry Group and their colors are black and white. This one's the Xander team. And so their colors are the green. This one is Fathom. So they have their colors and their logo.
If you can help me one thing, if I can ask you, I
Yeah.
build a software. I mean, I build a tool
Mm-hmm.
that actually predicts the home prices. Let's say you wanted to buy a house in Orem,
Mm-hmm.
then you see how many square feet it is, and how many bedrooms it has, how old it is, and where the location is.
Mm-hmm.
If you put these all features, it will estimate the price for the house.
That could be cool.
Yeah, but I took a
Yeah.
lot of time. I did that one for Bangalore city for my mission home.
Wow. Very cool.
Yeah,
Very cool. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it works. Every real estate team has their own page.
yeah,
Looks just like that. And there's other ones too, like let me see. Like this one as well, there's all different kinds. And so all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make it so that rather than the rather than the user
yeah,
filling out all of the, oh wait, let me go to one of these other ones. Rather than the user clicking on, oh yeah, and then it shows the agent's face and their name. Rather than the user clicking these different things, I want to train the agent to do all of these different things. So
but what should like user do? Let's say if I wanted to move, think about, use me as an example.
mhm. So all that you would do is you'll still have your HomePal account because you have to submit the form, and then once the form is submitted, then it's gonna go one by one, filling out all these forms, and then the user, so you could then maybe you could click on internet, and then it would take you to the internet website if you need to see it, or it would at least just show you, hey, these are the details. Like your account is set up, it's ready to go, it's on auto pay. You don't have to touch anything. It's good to go. You're all done. So you can click that, or you can see the details if you want to as the buyer,
Yeah,
but you really don't need to see the details because there's only one option there's only one option for electric, there's only one option for gas, there's only one option for water, sewer, garbage. And so I just want to make it so that the buyer doesn't ever even have to look at those things if they don't want to. It's all set up here. And then they can come back to their portal here and they can see it, but they don't need to unless they want to. And same as with these things as well. I want the agent to fill out all these forms. I want the agent to change the person's address, and I want the agent to type in this information and type in the driver's license card. I want the agent to fill out all these different things.
yeah. Do you have those URLs, APIs?
I don't have these APIs. I was just thinking of having the agent just click on the link. I don't know if that's possible.
Yeah,
But
so I have to do some research on that. Then I will give you feedback tonight, okay? Tonight
okay,
or
sounds good.
tomorrow.
And then also the agent can click on this, and this is just on USPS.com, and the agent can fill out this form,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
the agent can do all these different things right here. So it's kind of a lot of work. It's a lot of different tasks that I
Yeah,
hope the agent can do.
yeah,
But from my understanding, it seems like someone can train an agent to
mm-hmm.
do just about anything on the computer that they can do. So I'm really curious about it, but yeah, let me know if you can find a way to do it
Yeah,
because it would be really, really cool and it could be pretty valuable. I think it could. My goal with the company with HomePal is to take it to the whole country. And within time, I want to make it $1 billion company. But that would it's going to take a long time, many years. And there's going to be a lot of things that will need to be done in order to do that. But I have a really big vision. I want to work so hard to make that happen.
Yeah.
And so I need a lot of help because I can't do it by myself. I'm hoping to have people who can help me out and who can work really hard and whatnot. So if you want to help me out, if you want to do it and help me out with it, then I'd love your help.
Yeah, so let me do some research tonight or tomorrow. Then, because I used AI agents, I can figure it out the problem, like solution for the problems you have mentioned. How AI agent can decide the like observe, because observation AI agent has to do right way, right? If it does not observe what you give, what you say, and then it will think different, then it will act different, then you will end up with a lot of stuff. So
Yeah.
yeah, so I can do this one because I need to figure it out how I can integrate with the LLMs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good. Do you think we can do another call tomorrow?
Tomorrow Tuesday, yeah, we can do.
Okay.
Let me do some research tonight, and then tomorrow morning, then from there we will do. Okay.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Hey, Vinny, do you think I can pay you for your time tonight? Because it's helpful for me.
No, I didn't do anything, Dallin, honestly. I just listening.
Well, if you come up with a way to help make the AI agents work, and if you can get the AI agents to do these things, then can I pay you for that?
Yeah, then I will let you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks,
'Cause,
bro.
yeah, it'd be really
Yeah.
helpful.
Yeah.
And if it works out well, then I'd love to keep getting your help.
Yeah. Yeah. I pray that I will do my best, and
Okay.
yeah, we'll see how we gonna do. Right.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Yeah. So yeah, let's have other meet tomorrow. Okay.
Okay. So what time do you want to do it at?
8 o'clock.
Okay. I think that sounds good.
7:30. 7:30 is okay.
Let me look. I think 8 works good. I'll let you know. I'll text you
Because I am busy at 8:30.
at 8:30. Okay.
Yeah.
Then okay, yeah. Then maybe 7. We'll just text it and figure it
Yeah.
out.
So before 8:30, I mean, because we need one hour time so that I can discuss. So I will come up with a plan. Drop your email. I will send what I'm thinking about, how I'm going to work on those. I will come up with all the possible solution. So
Okay.
then, do you know, right? Have you ever used Google Video like a Google Docs?
Yeah.
Okay, you can share your email, then I can share Google Doc, then you can edit from there. If you see anything to fix, then we can help each other.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah, thanks, buddy. See you tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you, Vinny.
Bye.